All right.
Yes, I can see it now.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So this is the workspace. This is actually the workspace I've been explaining the past 10 minutes. Okay. So just like you have in your Illustrator, this is our toolbar. All right. Our toolbar where you have different tools. Okay. And then these are control panel. Our control panel here spans on this place and also here what you have just immediately after your our toolbar. All right. When you click on a particular tool, you're going to have a different field pop up on our control panel. So I mentioned earlier that Canva comes with a whole lot of templates. So we have templates right here for you to choose from. If I select this, that's what's going to come up immediately. So if I select that, we can, yeah, exactly. So it's up. So if I select that as a template, it's going to just come up on my workspace and I can actually, you see what's happening, you can edit immediately and have your design as fast as possible. Then if I want to make an upload, I want to import my own image or a video. This is the tool you use for that, and then you make an upload of the image you want from your laptop or from your phone. And if I want a photo, these are photos, stock photos made available in Canva, and there are a whole lot, millions of them for you to choose from. And you can also use your search bar to search a particular image. Okay, so for example, you're looking for an image that relates with business, and click enter. Yes, it's going to just pop up images. Yes, talking about business. So that's how you search for stock photos here. Some are free, while some are not. Anyone that is free, you can use it. Anyone that isn't free, you have to pay to be able to buy that image actually still in Canva. All right, and we have on the toolbar elements. When you talk about elements, you're talking about shapes, you're talking about graphics, just a whole lot of elements that you can use in design. All right. Okay. And talking about text, just like Illustrator, typography, what do you want to type and all of that. Then videos, just like you have in images, custom videos made available for you, and the background. So because Canva is designed to help you design, is designed to help you produce results faster and quicker. Illustrator. Illustrator is a professional tool. You create everything yourself. They don't want to give you templates. They want you to work. You get Canva is designed to give you more of templates for you to create designs faster, and that's the reason most professional how do I say it, business people learn Canva to help them create content and generate content as fast as possible. So that's the reason you have our tools here. Really not so much and different because both softwares are designed for different purpose. So we should just show us the test tool here. I'm going to go ahead and um, delete this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Mm, all right, so I'm going to type now. Let's use typography. Typography. All right. Okay. So right here, our control panel is just above here, and you can change the font type. All right. So whatever font type you want to use, Lasso, Montserrat, any font type you actually want. And here you can control your size. Okay, you can choose any size you want it to be. All right. And here you can actually work on your text color, the color of your text. So when you click here, you're going to find out that colors are going to pop up here for you to use. All right. You find a whole lot of colors here in your control panel too. And when we talk about alignment, which is your paragraphing, how you align your text, it's also here. You find that on this panel, either to left align, center align, or right align, whatsoever you want to do depending on the project. And here you're going to find your letter spacing, which is your pen, and then your line spacing. Here works with sliders, or you can type it straight up here. So we can try 50, enter, and you have it. Or you can try the line height talks about the your lead, all right, your line spacing, the spacing between the words. Okay, so you can move your slider and adjust that. So same properties, same results. All right, if you're using typography. So I'm showing us this because our next class we're going to be working on using just typography to design a flyer. All right, so everyone is going to be working on that, whether you're using Canva or you're using Illustrator. And that's the reason I'm focusing on text. Okay, text is very important in design. All right, so understanding typography, line spacing, and letter spacing is actually key. So in our next class, we're going to be working on using just typography to create a flyer, a simple flyer, make a simple flyer, play with it. And then I'm going to just talk a little about visual hierarchy, contrast too, because that's going to help us with that project. Okay, and later tonight, I'm going to send across our material for week one so we can read through, and this recording will be made available too to us. So that's it about Illustrator framework and Canva framework. All right, so we're good.